Hello everyone, in this video I'm telling you a website where you can download free web templates. If you want to download free web templates and if you don't know where you can find free web templates, then guys, this video is for you. So guys, in this video I'm telling you a free website where you can download web templates for free. So let's begin. So the website name is codeloud.cf. In this website you can download free web templates. So guys, if you can download HTML template or React template or Next.js template, then guys you can visit this website. Then guys in this website you can download free web templates. So this website is totally free. So you can download React.js or Next.js or HTML templates. Yeah, guys, the best thing about my website is that if you download any template and guys, in that template you will find no watermark. So guys, now that's it. So guys, thanks for watching this video guys. Then guys, you can further download free templates. Then guys, go to codeloud.cf. So guys, now that's it. Bye bye.